A few videos back, we had a discussion about timing. Well, I want to actually talk about how to time a car now. So I do want to bring to your attention the timing light. So the timing light comes in a lot of different variances and a lot of different ways. So there are some that are just locked at 0, there are some that are digital, there are some that are analog. The analog ones like this one I really don't care for, simply because as you're working on it, this dial likes to move and it drives me absolutely insane. If you can afford a digital one, dude, then you just set it to 8 degrees, right, on the digital one, and then you look for it to 0 up on the timing tab. And you'll understand more what that means here in a second once we get into it. But to make this work, what we're gonna do is hook it up to the battery, or a power source at least, and then hook this up to the number 1 spark plug, usually nearest the spark plug as you can. And that will tell us when there is spark coming through this through inductive timing, basically is how this is. In the case of the Camaro, it receives its timing from the ECU. So that means I need to disconnect the EST wire. If it were a vacuum car, I would just disconnect the vacuum hose, plug both sides, and set it that way to get my base timing, and then figure out my mechanical curve from there. Being this is just an electronic style, we're just gonna set the base and then let the computer do its thing once we plug the computer back in. So let's go out to the car and get our timing set. I have a Scott Hansen chip in my car and he calls for 6 degrees, so that's where we're going for 6-degree base. Go ahead and loosen the distributor hold down clamp, and once that's done, we can get to hooking up the timing light. So with that timing light hooked up, we're gonna be looking down through here at the harmonic balancer. See that way down there? There's a little timing tab on that you'll see. So adjusting the timing is actually done through adjusting the distributor. So turn it clockwise to retard the timing and then counterclockwise to advance the timing. Remember, our goal is 6 degrees before top dead center. But we're gonna jump over here, disconnect this brown EST cable, and then start the car. So once the timing is set, I'm gonna reach on back here with your tool and tighten it back down, and your distributor should be locked into place and your timing's set.